Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to look at a very common material you probably see every day. It's called PMMA, or polymethyl methacrylate. You might know it by brand names like Plexiglas, Lucite, or Perspex. But have you ever wondered what this clear, strong plastic is actually made from? Let's dive in and find out. The creation of PMMA is a fascinating journey in chemistry, and it all starts with a liquid called methyl methacrylate, or MMA for short. Think of MMA as the single, essential building block for our final plastic. But where does MMA come from? It's made from a few basic industrial chemicals. The process usually begins with acetone, a common solvent you might know from nail polish remover, and hydrogen cyanide, a highly reactive chemical handled with great care in industrial settings. In the first step, these two chemicals are reacted together to form a new substance called acetone cyanohydrin. This is the first major transformation. Next, this new substance is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. This step prepares it for the final ingredient, which is methanol, a simple alcohol. When methanol is added, the chemical reaction is complete, and we are left with our key building block, the liquid monomer, methyl methacrylate. Now that we have our liquid MMA, how do we turn it into the solid, durable sheets of plastic we're familiar with? This is done through a process called polymerization. The word poly means many, so polymerization is simply the process of linking many small molecules, or monomers, into very long chains, creating a polymer. To kickstart this chain reaction, a small amount of an initiator is added to the liquid MMA. This initiator acts like a spark, causing the individual MMA molecules to start linking together, end to end. As millions of these molecules join up, they form incredibly long, tangled chains. This network of chains is what gives PMMA its solid structure and strength. As more and more chains form, the clear liquid gradually thickens, turns into a gel, and finally hardens into a solid. This solid is the final product, polymethyl methacrylate. This polymerization can be done in different ways, such as pouring the liquid mixture into a mold to create a specific shape, like a lens or a block, or casting it between two plates of glass to form the large, flat sheets we often call acrylic. So, in short, PMMA is made by first creating a liquid monomer called MMA from chemicals like acetone and methanol, and then linking those monomers together into long polymer chains to form a solid plastic. And that's the journey from simple chemicals to the versatile material known as PMMA. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video interesting and learned something new, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to support the channel. It really helps us create more content like this. See you in the next one.